Buckle, fuck sleep, come clean, zone. Can't forget that I'm golden. Can't forget where I'm going. Popo, police, enemy, fake homies.
We keep breaking the law, man.
Step foot in this parking lot, we'll go to jail for trespassing.
What up, big dog? What up? Hi, boo boo. There's my guy. Someone sleepy. Someone's making breakfast. Gotta get the bike ready for tonight. I'm trying to figure out a few new camera angles. I wanna go to a gas station, try to set up a mount on the windscreen, try to see if I can get like a POV, like facing towards me. One, I don't know, back here, it's kind of hard to see. Either on the foot peg, this way you could see some of the wheel, some of the exhaust, especially when it shoots flames, or kind of on this back peg. I could either put this peg out, put the camera like this, we'll see how that would work, or maybe a clutch POV as a shifting gears, passing queers, something like that. What do we got over here? That's looking good and it's really dirty. I'm gonna bring the bike out here in a little bit. Who do we have here?
My name is OK Racing with DB Detailing today, and I own the company.
So that's why you're doing the work, and I'm just sitting here, right?
Because it is my girlfriend's car.
Yeah.
So I should probably.
Oh yeah, you guys got to see this. A license plate. Say what?
Huh?
Say what?
I said chicken.
No. The license.
Word.
Yeah.
I know what it says.
Did a burnout on the bike last night.
Yeah, it's for the baby reveal.
And we still have plenty of tread. It's crazy. I've done probably 6, 7 burnout. I don't know. I don't even know how many burnouts, but I've done a lot. And there's still plenty of tread. And last night it was still blue. I'll put up a video. I think I got someone that got a video of me doing it, so I'll show that. But dinner's almost ready, and we're gonna head out. Sun's going down. We can get some good videos. We're gonna head over to Rowan's house, and then oh damn, this thing's dirty. We'll just do a yeah, we'll get some night riding. Hopefully I can get some good videos even though it's dark out. I should do like a tail mount. Okay, we made it out with the group. We got the we're out here at the car wash. We got the Popo over there. We got a few people out.
I'm here.
We got
What
Mr.
up?
Rowan Pluto.
What's up, guys?
We got Mr. Denver.
What's up, guys?
Dude.
Oh, my butt is just. Oh, fuck.
Oh yeah.
Bro, stop scratching your ass.
Chill, bro. I didn't shave my ass.
Cotton 4K, bro.
Nah.
We got the G37. Yo, Mr. Shiplet. Got the Dino. Oh my God, is that OK Racing?
All right, bro. Bye. You literally just saw me at your house.
Yeah, I know.
Skorost.
Okay, we got Hayden the BMW.
I drove.
I don't even know what the hell it is.
Hey, Ted, what were you doing driving?
Oh yeah. Okay. We got this thing. Dude, is that
I have my GoPro too.
Recount Media?
Come on. Is that Luke, bro?
Oh my God, Luke.
In the rail?
Oh my God.
Is that the rail? No.
Johnny, unlock. Johnny, unlock.
Oh shit.
Did I leave my
Dude, is
GoPro?
that Rico Media
At
$200,000?
Dude, what's up? I left my GoPro at Rowan's.
What the fuck,
Hey,
dude?
Rowan.
Quit scratching your fucking nuts, bro.
What's good, Alex?
It's good, bro.
Dude.
Hold on, you gotta get this.
Oh yeah. Oh.
We got the same fit on, kinda.
His camera is good.
Yo, who, what?
Damn, look.
Oh shit.
Yo, we all here.
What do you think of those videos last night?
Dude. You never sent me the flame clips.
Dude, I can't yet because I gotta, you know.
For some reason, I just thought Johnny got smacked by that fucking big ring.
Aiden.
I'll just see myself. That's actually dope. What GoPro is this? GoPro
9.
damn, bro. Black.
Actually, pretty much that exact position, just like that. I mean, I usually like stick my butt out just a little more. Yeah.
Oh, that's it right there.
Yep. Just like that.
Dude, yesterday when you were doing the fucking fly, you started going so slow. I was like, oh, motherfucker.
Well, yeah, my hand is
I
on
know,
the
I was
throttle.
like, holy shit. Okay, but then when you got behind Bennett, that...
Wait.
Eats McDonald's or Taco Bell.
What about China Garden Buffet? China Garden Buffet.
Everybody says a restaurant. We all pull out our soft penises, and whoever's bigger on soft, we choose that.
Okay.
McDonald's, let's go.
Oh, rowing Pluto. Rowing Pluto. Who revving? Oh. Hey, I heard that.
I got a better one for you.
That thing's a piece of shit. Bye, Denver. Bye, Denver.
And there's some dudes hosting in Raleigh to Charlotte races on the highway.
You talking about it? Oh,
I don't know his name.
stock F30 or whatever?
What does Aiden's dad want? It's a show. What the fuck even is that?
$200. It's a D series 80s Mercedes
Oh.
LS3 swap,
Oh. Oh, LS.
just like the 2J swap Honda that I have parked outside the red one.
Oh, it's Mr. M2 Comp.
It is Mr. M2 Comp. How you
What's up,
doing?
buddy?
Not too bad.
We're not wearing slides for once.
Hey, I don't wear the slide.
The fit evaluation. Alright, where are we going? Raleigh? Dude, let's go right now. Okay, but look.
There's no way we're actually going to Raleigh.
I don't want to drive.
There's no way.
Damn, what kind of bug bit you?
Dude, it's a fucking pimple.
You just touched it too much, huh?
This is said M2 Comp that I was talking about. There's no S3. No S3. Anyway, yeah, this is Caleb's M2 competition that he just picked up. Fresh. Dude, I thought everybody's waiting. There's so much going on. But I'm beyond confused. Sounds so good.
Thank you.
I can't.
Boom.
Boom.
Yeah, I think I'm going to Old Dicks.
Old Dicks.
Old Dicks.
So literally right there.
Literally right there. Yep, right, like that way.
Wow. Okay. Don't try this at home, kids, because we're only going like 50 feet. Old digs. Okay, 8:58, almost 9 o'clock. It's not that bad out. It's still tolerable, not too cold, but we made it. It was like 50 feet. McDonald's is literally on the other side of fucking Taco Bell. Where did that dude get a skateboard from? Anyway, oh, we gotta check out Rowan's. Oh, he just put some canards on the Eva. Wow, Kirk! Holy shit! What's up, buddy? Dude, wait, where the fuck you get this from?
Big money moves.
Oh,
I went from a
congrats.
1987 F350 yesterday to a 2018 Platy.
Dude, the 6.7 goes crazy. Dude, congrats. Good shit. When are we doing your roof wrap?
I got one of the vinyl. When are we doing that? Hey, you want to do a video next time on the police?
On the what?
On the Island of Police? Remember we were supposed to do them that one weekend?
You're right. We were supposed to do that. Yeah.
Sounds good. I mean, my dog has a few more hits, so we're good.
Where's Hayden at? Why is he? I can't hear myself think. Sorry, Hayden. Okay. Sorry, Hayden. Hayden, I kind of. You don't see this right now. You can't even hear me. But I touched your car and I turned down the volume. I'm sorry. What's that? No. You can't even drive.
No, I can't. Let's go to Raleigh. Fuck it.
Dude, RS3 is too clean. Fucks with it. Fucks. Oh shit. I hear siren.
The evil twins, bro.
Oh yeah.
Dude, I need to get low. Bro, I'm gonna get some coilovers.
Whoa. Calm down there, trucks. You calm down. It's getting a staring contest.
Oh. Fuck the wind. Oh. Ah! Oh, you blinked. You blinked.
You look like Hitler, dude.
Come on, man. Come on now.
We do not support takeovers.
It's already been 15 minutes.
Oh, I support it.
Yeah, I support it.
Ew.
I gotta scan, bro. I gotta spin it.
Ew. Oh. Oh my God. Are you serious, bro?
You know what we need to do?
They are on something tonight.
I agree.
Pulling up on me.
Straight ahead at us is crazy.
Dude, this is like a. I'm recording.
Dude,
like a video
second
for the
night in a
department.
row. 2 nights in a row. Are you serious, bro?
We keep breaking the law, man.
Don't come back to this parking lot at all. Because we just told them, and next time, I don't care if I have to do it to 75 people. I will put 75 people on a report, and I will ban every one of y'all from this parking lot. And that means if you step foot in this parking lot to go to Taco Bell, you will go to jail for trespassing. So, I'm just advising, like, this is getting to be a problem already, and it's not even summertime, so that is Southern Pines. You can go hang out up there. Pinecrest Plaza, go hang out up there.
Okay.
You got it. All right. The problem is cheetahs.
What the fuck, cheetahs?
You can go to strip club if you want to. Hey, I mean, I'd probably want to go there too, honestly, but
Cheetahs?
Raleigh. We're not going to Cheetahs. Go to Raleigh.
Right. But a lot of the guys are still in town after that cop situation. I decided it was probably just best to go home, especially with your boy's plate being tucked up like that. They probably wouldn't appreciate that. So yeah, we got a fun day planned tomorrow. I have a meeting to make it to. You know, maybe some more business in the future. We'll see. Anyway, I will see y'all tomorrow. Well, good morning. It's the next day. We got a few things going on this morning. We have to make it out to Aberdeen. We got to go to this meeting. Possibly doing some more business with this one dealership that's in my town.
My shoe's gonna fall off, and I'm gonna have to run back and get it. Then I'm gonna get even more soaked.
Okay,
Ready?
ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh my god.
Oh, oh, oh.
Go, 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 go.
Shit.
Goddamn. Oh, it's so wet. Dude, it got so bad. Well, I'm soaked. Jesus. Okay. That was interesting.
I don't know where my girlfriend went. I gotta find her now. Anyway, so the meeting went good. So we'll see how it goes. And we're getting some stuff for dinner, so. Hey there. Someone wants to go outside. Isn't that right? Yeah. Oh, you talking. At least we got our meeting out of the way. We did some shopping, right? And then we'll take you on a walk. Wanna go for a walk? Yeah? Okay. We'll get ready. Yeah? Let's go. I think that's about it for this video. I'll get this edited, and then probably in the next video, I got some stuff to do. I need to do some maintenance on this. Oil change. I gotta clean and lube the chain. And then on the Corvette, it's out there. We have to do brakes all the way around. I'm gonna be putting some drilled rotors on this time. And then I'm gonna repaint the calipers. When I was buying the car, that was probably the first thing I noticed. It was like, I don't know, it was chipping on the calipers. So we'll repaint those as I do the brakes. So I will see all of y'all in the next one.